In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save emails from Outlook to OneDrive. We'll look at two common scenarios, using the new Outlook or Outlook on the web to save attachments directly to OneDrive, and using classic Outlook to export your mail to a OneDrive backed location for safekeeping. By the end, you'll know exactly which approach fits your needs and how to complete it with confidence. If you are on the new Outlook or you are using Outlook on the web, the quickest way to get a file from an email into OneDrive is to start by opening the email that contains the attachment you want to keep. Once the message is open, look at the attachment preview. You'll see a small drop-down arrow next to the attachment name. Click that arrow, then choose Save to OneDrive. Outlook takes care of the rest. The file is automatically placed into your OneDrive in a folder called Email Attachments. That default folder keeps everything consistent, so you always know where your saved files are going. After saving, you can head to OneDrive and look for the Email Attachments folder to confirm the upload. From there, you can organize your files the way you like, such as moving them into project folders or renaming them for clarity. If you rely on the OneDrive desktop app, give it a moment to sync, especially for larger files, so everything is backed up and available on your other devices. Now, if you are using classic Outlook and want to preserve emails themselves, perhaps whole folders for backup or archiving, the process is a little different. In classic Outlook, go to File, then Open and Export, and choose Import File Export. In the wizard that opens, select Export to a file. Then choose Outlook Data File. .pst. Next, pick the folders you want to back up. This can be a single folder like Inbox or a top-level folder with subfolders. When prompted for a location, set the destination to a folder that's inside your OneDrive. Click Finish, and Outlook will create a PST file in that OneDrive location. This .pst file is a snapshot of the mail you selected, and will start syncing to the cloud through OneDrive. Be mindful that large exports can take a while to upload, so allow time for the sync to complete before you rely on the file from another device. Remember, this method is best for archiving or transferring mail, while the first method is ideal for saving specific attachments. That's it. Thanks for watching.